How to fix this problem when you try to uninstall a software. In this video I will show you one method. I hope it will fix your problem. First open Start and type Registry Editor. Right-click and click on Run as Administration. Expand H-key Local Machine. Expand Software. Expand this folder. Expand Microsoft. Expand Windows. Expand Current Version. Expand Uninstall. Locate the app you want to uninstall. Now your problem should be fixed. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel. Once restart your computer.